Behind me, we have a beautiful 2-story townhome with a loft. Today, we are here in West Summerlin, and we are gonna be touring KB's largest townhome model, which is the Plan 1947. So don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is May 28, 2025, and today we're here at Groves at Caldwell Park by KB Homes here in the highly desired West Summerlin. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this area, West Summerlin, we're about 25 minutes west of the Las Vegas airport and the Strip, okay? Great master plan community. Guys, West Summerlin, this is one of the most highly desired areas in all of Las Vegas. Now, you're gonna have plenty of things to do around here. It's a great master plan community. You have Red Rock Canyon, you're close to shopping centers, you're close to the freeway, so easy access to get to places. Overall, just great for family, guys. So I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 6 different floor plans. They're all 2-story townhomes ranging from 1430 square feet all the way up to 1947 square feet, okay? Now, when you're looking at the base price, just so you know, lot premiums and upgrades are not included, okay? So you do have to factor those into your total price. On average, the lot premiums are gonna range between $1 to $35,000 for the lot premium, okay? Now, the upgrades are gonna range from typically about $20,000 to $25,000 is what most buyers are putting in. Also, that's what KB Homes is. When they're making spec homes, they're putting about $20,000 or $25,000, okay? Now, also too, when you see those base prices on the screen, the base price will depend on a couple of different things, guys, because you're gonna have different lots, right? Some lots are gonna have a 5 feet deep driveway. Others, you're gonna have a regular sized driveway, okay? So that will be in your base price as well as the elevation. So the builders choose what elevation, they pre-select the elevations for every townhome unit. And depending on what it is, your base price will be higher or lower, okay? Now here at KB Homes, they do have a mixture of spec homes as well as building from ground up. So because they just opened up this community, they have quite a few spec homes right now. The benefits about the spec homes is they'll close a lot sooner. If you're interested in just picking out all your options, then KB's usually gonna offer more of the build from ground up, okay? Now, as far as the HOA is concerned, the HOA is $175 a month. The master plan is $60 a month, and you do have a SID assessment, guys. So the SID, you pay $340.33 semi-annually, okay? So every 6 months. So if you total all that together, you're looking at about $295 a month, okay? Now what that's gonna include, the maintenance of the area, it's gonna include the exterior paint, the roof, that's all gonna be included, as well as, all the amenities that Summerlin offers as well, okay? So the parks close by and all that. Now they will have 131 townhomes here. And if you build from ground up, it takes about 6 to 7 months to build. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the 1947 floor plan. Now, this is going to be the largest townhome in this community. Now, this is 1947 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garages, and they do have 2 base prices, okay? So the base prices just depend on, it'll depend on your elevation, but it also depend on if you have like a 5 feet driveway or if you have a regular size driveway, okay? So the most affordable 5 feet driveway base price, you're looking at $459.90. And then for the regular driveway, the base price is going to start at $479,990, okay? There are other things that could affect your base price, like the elevation as well. So the elevation is just how the exterior looks, okay? But they pre-select those. So there's elevation A, B, and C. But yeah, look, guys, let's take a look. So this paver entry is included. The desert landscaping is included. Oh, this is nice right here. You actually have a lot of space right here for some outdoor furniture. You're gonna have this 8-foot door. Again, in this community, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. Okay. So welcome in. This is what you see as soon as you walk in. You got your kitchen, dining, living room. Okay. Now right over here, you're gonna have your coat closet. Okay. Again, one thing I love about end units is you're gonna have more windows. So it's gonna be a lot more brighter in the home. Okay. Nice, we got the kitchen. Looks like over here, we're gonna have your powder room as well as the, let's see here, door to your garage. Okay, so your laundry room is gonna be downstairs, okay? Washer and dryer is not included. You're gonna have your door to your garage. Just see if it's open. Oh, nice, it is open. Okay. So nice, spacious 2-car garage. This is also really nice too. You're gonna have more storage space over there. You have your water softener right there, which is in the perfect place because sometimes when you put a water softener in, it can be kind of bulky, so it's perfect that it's over there. Tankless water heater. Okay, so you'll never run out of hot water. Okay, so you'll have your powder room right over here. Got your toilet. All right. Okay, you'll have your coat closet, and then you'll have some storage space here. Now, one of the largest upgrades that buyers will always do is going to be flooring. Because standard flooring, you're going to have carpet all throughout the house except for the wet areas. You'll have like a 17 by 17 ceramic tile. So the wet areas, again, is kitchen, laundry room, bathroom, entryway. But most buyers, I want to say like 90% of them, or 95, they'll completely remove all the carpet from the first floor, and they'll either do something like this, vinyl plank, or they'll just extend out the tile. So that's probably going to be that's going to be your largest upgrade probably. Okay. So we got these cabinets. The 42-inch cabinets are standard, the size, but as far as the colors, actually that color might be standard. I'd have to double check though. Okay, refrigerator, washer, and dryer won't be included. Those are the only appliances that won't be included. We do have this optional quartz countertop as well as this backsplash. Okay. Nice. Looks like we have an upgraded stovetop oven right here. Okay, in a hood. So this is optional. Otherwise, you'd have like the microwave hood. And then you'll have your standard Whirlpool dishwasher. Beautiful single basin undermount white sink. Okay. This fixture here too, if you want the gold, that's optional. The design studio has so many different options. Okay, what's this? Okay, cool. So this is the dishwasher. Okay, here you have your pantry. Okay, so yeah, it's a really nice open floor plan. You're gonna have a pre-wire to the ceiling fan. It's standard in the great room as well as the primary bedroom. Again, this energy savings comparison, this is put in every KB home. It's just to let you know that they use very energy efficient material. But most new builds, they're gonna be a lot more energy efficient than older homes. Oh, here too, I forgot to show you. Just in case you're interested in knowing what's upgraded in this model, you could pause right there. That will let you know what is upgraded here in this floor plan. Okay, cool. So it looks like we got the upgraded railing. If you were to go with a standard route, you'd have this pony wall that comes all the way down. But you can You can opt to have all this be the stair rail. You can have the stair rail go all the way up, which I recommend. I think it would definitely open everything up, right? If all this was stair rail. Okay, so you got a couple of landing steps here. So yeah, it looks like this is the only floor plan in this townhome community that's gonna have a loft. Okay. So to your right, you have your primary bedroom. To the left, you're going to have your other guest beds. Okay, so we have your full bath. Now guys, if you are interested in new construction homes and you're thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, you know, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you're working with another realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Now, once they have that information and you're not with an agent, it's gonna be really hard to get you representation afterwards. The big difference is the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest, okay? So that's why it's really important to have someone representing you, because, you know, we walk you through the process. We know when to negotiate for you. And, you know, we do hold the builders accountable, so. Okay, so this is first bedroom. Okay, this is the other guest bedroom. Now this is pretty spacious, this bedroom right here. Okay, so it looks like we have a, that is a full-size bed. Okay, so you got your closet over there. Okay, every room is gonna come with a smoke detector. And in the hallways, you're gonna have a smoke/CO2 detector. This is for your fire sprinkler. Okay, transfer grill, help regulate the airflow in the house. It'll prevent doors from slamming too if one of the windows are open, because, you know, there's a way for air to escape. Now I'm guessing with this loft, because this plan is a 3 to 4 bedroom, so I'm guessing this bedroom could be a 4th bedroom. I mean, this loft can be a 4th bedroom. Okay, so you got your linen closet. But yeah, again, you have the 9-foot ceilings up here, which is really nice. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Now, just over here, you're gonna have your primary walk-in closet. It looks like it's still missing. Looks like they're still working on this model house. See over here in West Summerlin, you have a view of, there's Red Rock Hotel Casino. Guys, again, you're really close to Red Rock. The crazy thing about like this area is there's plenty of things to do around here. And even if you go hiking at Red Rock, it feels like you're like really far from the city, when in fact it only takes about like 15-20 minutes to get there, which I think is really cool. Yeah, these model homes have really nice strip views, but I think they are building some, yeah, it looks like they're building a community there. So the builders never promise strip views. Okay, nice. So we'll check out the primary bath. All right, so welcome to the primary bath. You have your walk-in shower, your separate tub, dual sinks, and then you have your toilet right here. All right, guys, that's pretty much wrapped it up for the 1947 floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions at all, or if you're looking for help with the new construction process, guys, don't hesitate to reach out. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video.